Okay, so today we are going to study one of the topic of motion 1 and 2 dimension of class 11. That is projectile motion. Projectile motion is the motion when an object is thrown with a certain initial velocity u at a certain angle theta with the horizontal, such that during its entire motion it is subjected only to acceleration due to gravity. Then it will adopt a parabolic path known as trajectory, and such a motion of an object is known as the projectile motion. Here initial velocity u at a certain angle, so it can be resolved into two components. Horizontal component ux is equals to u cos theta, and vertical component uy is equals to u sin theta. We need to find out three expressions in this. First of all, the time of flight. Time of flight is the total time for which the projectile remains in motion. That is, time taken to reach the maximum height A from O and then return to point B from maximum height. Okay. Then second expression will be the maximum height attained by the projectile, and third derivation will be on the range of the projectile, which is the horizontal distance covered by the projectile during its entire motion. So moving on to the derivation, first derivation is of the time of flight. Now time of flight is divided into two time intervals. First time interval to reach the maximum height from point O, we'll assume is r small t. Then the same time will be taken from maximum height to reach the point B. That is, we can say the total time of flight will be twice the time taken to reach the maximum height. Now, time taken to reach the maximum height we'll find out this first of all. So at maximum height we know that the final velocity of an object will become 0 since it becomes stationary for a moment at maximum height. U will be equals to uy since we are considering the vertical motion. U will be equals to uy or u sin theta. A will be acceleration will be minus of g, body is going against the gravity. We are using the equation v is equals to u plus at. Putting all these values, v is 0, u is uy minus gt, or gt is equals to uy, or t is equals to, putting the value of uy, u sin theta upon g. So this is the time taken to reach the maximum height. Now total time of flight is twice this time duration, so it will be equals to 2 u sin theta upon g. This is the expression for the total time of flight. Okay. Now moving on to a second derivation. Second derivation is on the maximum height attained by the projectile. So here also we are going to use the Newton's equation of motion, the third equation of motion. V square is equals to u square plus 2as, maximum height attained by the projectile. Using the equation, v square is equals to u square plus 2as. V is 0, u will be uy, vertical motion, a will be minus of g, and s will be equals to the height attained by the projectile. So 2gh is equals to uy is u sin theta whole square, h will be equals to u square sin square theta upon 2g. So this is the expression for the maximum height attained by the projectile. Now moving on to our third derivation, third and last derivation, range of the projectile. So range of the projectile is the horizontal distance covered by the projectile during its entire motion. Now talking about the range or the horizontal distance represented by small x. So horizontal distance will be equals to horizontal speed into total time. Distance is equals to speed into time. X is equals to ux is u cos theta, and total time of flight was 2 u sin theta upon g. U into u will become u square 2 sin theta cos theta upon g. Now in place of 2 sin theta cos theta we can write sin 2 theta upon g. So this is the formula for the range of the projectile. Now this range will be maximum range the value of sine 2 theta should be maximum, and as we know the maximum value of sine is, and this value is 1 at sine 90 degree. So 2 theta is equals to 90 degree, or theta is equals to 90 upon 2, which is equals to 45 degree. So if an object is projected at an angle of 45 degree with the horizontal, it will acquire the maximum horizontal distance, which will be u squared upon g. On putting the value of sine 2 theta as 1 in this expression, maximum range comes out to be u squared upon g. Okay, thank you.